Okay, very good, very good, very good. That is good. If everyone is good, that is very good. Bhai bachcho, please stay at home. Please stay at home because in Tirchi there are number of cases are increasing and many students from 12th have called me and they have said that sir we are suffering from some feverish means symptoms and symptoms of corona. So please, please stay at home and please take care of yourself. Take care of yourself and your parents also. Okay, fine. Do not go out for some days because August will be, yeah, August will be the peak season. In August, number of cases will increase. After that, it might decrease. Okay. Sir, is there a revision? Yeah, bacha. I will tell what we are gonna do. I will tell what we are gonna do this week. So first is that yesterday I realized that we have not done logarithm or exponents, and inequalities, because so there were many and students have also not done log, exponents and log inequalities in their previous classes, right? So what we will do, we will discuss first this week for few days we will discuss. So I will give you the overall what I am planning. Okay, so what we will do this week, so today is, I think today is 4th, so this week we will do log plus exponents plus inequalities, right? We will try to complete log and exponents. Inequality, even if we'll do afterwards, it is okay, right? Next week completely we will revise. Okay, next week completely we will revise. Okay, so next week, because your exams will be on 17th Monday, right? So there are 2 weeks. One is this week, one is next week. So next week I will completely revise your trigonometry. Then we will revise the first chapter. Okay, portions are first 3 chapters: sets, relation, and your trigonometry. Okay, only the topics which are given in your NCERT. Only the topics which are given in your NCERT. Total marks will be 50 marks, right? Out of which 25 marks will be objective. Objective means yeah, I think this week we will have yeah, nice game plan. Yeah, this week we'll have, yeah, only NCERT this year, because this is a school test. This will be kind of school test, but we'll be preparing, but it will be completely, questions will be completely based on the questions of your NCERT. And this week's test I will give log only from yeah, 25 marks will be objective and 25 marks will be like short answer or long answer. 25 marks will be like that. Okay, I think we can deal with both of them. I think we can deal with both of them, right? Okay, yeah. Next week's portion. Next week's portion I will give only from your logarithm exponents, logarithm and exponents we will complete this week. So we will give this week portion from this, and next week we will give we will only do revision, and then 17th we will have your this thing, your school exam, है ना? Yes, Bala, it will be very easy. Don't worry, it will be very easy. Just if you'll write, you will get marks. Understood? Okay, fine. So first thing is yeah, 25 will be, but 25 will be objective. So this can be MCQ or this can be fill in the blanks, fill ups, है ना? So like that, it can be objective, fill in the blanks and all, है ना? Okay, fine, very good. Chalo. Today we will do logarithm because there were many students who didn't do logarithm. So I felt that I should teach a logarithm so that, it will be a base. Hai na? Okay, yeah, NCERT is enough. Only NCERT. Now do not ask questions that sir will be NCERT and NCERT. Only NCERT. No, there will be no negative marks. In your board exam, there is no negative marks. Only NCERT, no negative marks. Hai na? Okay, chalo. Let's start now. I hope I have answered, right? Okay. So see, logarithmic functions basically, why do we actually need logarithms, है ना? So suppose if somebody is studying a data, है ना, we will take the class very slow, and any doubt you have, you can just ask, है ना? Okay, I will take all the doubts and all. Okay, so first thing is a logarithmic function. By what is log? Generally represented by log of x base b is equals to c. Suppose log a base b is equals to c. Why do we actually need log? So first thing is, why we need Why we need log? Why we need a separate operator? Why we need a separate operator, or why do we need log? Log is also an operator like modulus, है ना? Yeah, log operator. Right. So one of the student JP is saying, sir, it is used to simplify or make calculation easier. So he's very much correct. See, in suppose I am dealing with data and I am dealing with data of 10 to the power 500, then 10 to the power 600, or 10 to the power 80, or suppose 2 to the power 900, and so on. So what? No, afterwards, bacha, afterwards I will give you time for each slide. I will give you 2 minutes. Then you see, just now you just listen, है ना? So to reduce the powers, है ना? To reduce the power, what we will do, we will take log. So log will make the number a little bit smaller. Log will make a number little bit smaller. So we can only compare. So suppose if I have to compare these two, or if I have to write, I cannot write by 10 to the power 500 in everywhere, right? So what I will do, I will take log and I will make the calculation easy, है ना? Suppose if somebody is talking about growth in population, है ना, and growth is and the population is increasing. Suppose somebody is talking about the population growth of certain insect, right, or certain animal. So suppose the population is increasing exponentially, means it is increasing to in power. Suppose one day before it was 2 to the power 10, next day it was 2 to the power 10,000, and so on. So to reduce or to tone down, to tone down the increase, okay, we will use logarithm, है ना? Simple, best is to make things easier, right? Now what actually log represents, suppose you have a to the power a to the power b is equals to c, right? So, or suppose if I have log of a b is equals to c. So I will explain what are these three different, what is a, what is b, what is c. I will explain. First let me use different colors. So this is suppose a, this is b, and this is c, right? So suppose a b c. So what is a is this, a is known as so first thing is b is known as, first I will explain what is b. B is known as base. B is known as base, right? And B, what will we call? B will have a particular limit. B will be less than B. Sorry, B will be greater than 0, and B will not be equals to 1. B will be greater than 0, and B will be now not equals to, okay, B will not be equals to 1, and B is greater than, okay, you want me to write a little bigger? Okay, I can try. Let's see. So I have written log I have written A base B is equals to C. Okay, and here I have given base. This is known as base. This is known as base of log. This is base of logarithm. Okay, and the condition on base is greater than 0 and base is not equals to 1. I will explain why this is happening, but first just look at this, hai na? Now see, if I will try it, and this condition on a is that a should be greater than 0. A condition on a is greater than 0. Now this log I can also this we can also represent this is indirectly writing a is equals to b to the power c. Okay, a is equals to b to the power c. Okay, so first you copy this part, first write this. This is very important. Log a base b is equals to c is equals to a is equals to b to the power c. First you write this, form. Okay, I hope you have written. First you write this. Okay, so suppose if I have to write in log form, 4 is equals to 2 square, right? In log form 4 is equals to 2 square. So what I will write this as? Tell me what I will write this as. This will be called as log by b will come down. This is a, 4 is equals to 2. right? Log 4 by a was this, so this will come here, base is this, right? Suppose if we have 9 is equals to 3 square, so what will this become? This will be log 9 3 is equals to 2. Understood? Suppose if we have 1024 is equals to 2 to the power 10, so this will become, tell me what this will become. This will become log 1024 base 2 is equals to 10. This will become simply. Okay, just copy this one. Everybody understood these all three? By very slowly we will move on to log. Everybody understood this? I think this you must have already done. This part you must have already done. This part everybody must have already done. Yes, very good, very good. So just copy this one. Okay, now see, the main thing about log is why in maths the main thing about log is its properties, right? The main thing about log is the properties. Okay, fine. Siddharth, first slide you can copy afterwards, है ना? There is nothing much too important to copy, just first one this, है ना? Okay, one I will tell bacha, one Siddharth I will tell one why it is denied, but just wait, है ना? Okay, so first thing is the most important part of log function is I will tell why b is not equals to 1, that I will explain, but not now, later on, है ना? Afterwards, है ना? This I will explain in exponents, why it is equals to not equals to 1, but in exponent. Now, right, not right now, okay? Just wait for this part, right now just assume that, okay, b cannot be equals to 1, है ना? Okay, so the most important part of log is property. So first what we'll do, we'll start learning about properties, and we'll see what are the different concepts of log. So the property fun, so I will note down the properties and I will just keep on explaining, hai na? So first is the property one, so I will write, so this is first property or property one. Okay, so the property one is very simple, that log or log base a1 is equals to 0, right? And we will derive all the properties using a definition, है ना? Sir, log set is only nahi bachcha, nahi Kanish, nahi, no, those were example, these were simple example, that is why log can be for other powers also. We will see as we move forward, we'll see. Kanish, don't worry, as we move forward I will see, है ना? I will give examples, okay, don't worry. So right now, yeah, so first is this. So what we can say, if I will write this in terms, so what was log? So a to the power 0 will be equals to 1. A to the power 0 will be equals to 1. So if I'll try to write down this in terms of log, this will become log 1 base a equal to 0. This is the proof. Understood? So anything with base, if it is 1, so that means it is equals to 0, because log we can write as this, log can be written as this, right? So this will be equals to 1. Understood? Second property, this is a very simple property. So for example, suppose you have suppose you have log 2, what will be the value? What will be the answer? 0. Because why? Because 2 to the power 0 is equals to 1. Okay, understood? है ना? Understood? Sir, will it exam be? No, बच्चे, exam will be simple. Sir, what is the log 0 with base as 1? Siddharth, just wait. Just whatever I am teaching, बच्चा, just first you listen to that, है ना? अभी do not think that what will be base 0, what will be right now, है ना? Okay, fine. How to read that, sir? Understood. Okay, this one is okay. Next is property. So this will be okay. This will be read as, this can be read as log 1 base a. Log 1 base a. This will be read as log 1 base 2, right? And suppose you have log 3 base 2. So this will be read as log 3 base 2. Understood? And some students were having doubt that how this will be read as. This is the how we will read. Log 1 base a, log 2 base 3, or log 3 base 2, log 1 base 2, like that. Okay, fine, very good. This was very simple property, first property. Now let's look at second property. Property 2. This is very simple. Second property is also very simple. Suppose you have been given log a base a, right? Log a base a, suppose we have to find x. Suppose this is, we have to find x. What is the value? So what we can do, what we can do, we can take this as x, so we can take a is equals to a to the power x, we can compare the power, so a will be 1. Okay, so a will be simple 1, so this will become simple 1. Okay, you want to copy the previous one? Okay, copy previous one. I'm giving you 1 minute for each. Okay, for each one I will give you some time. Okay, just copy property 1, just copy property 1. JPith, I told you base is not equal to 1. I will explain afterwards, please. Afterwards, once we have done a little bit more, है ना भाई. First we will take smooth surface ना, yeah, first only in physics you start taking a rough surface. First you will take frictionless surface. JPith, yes or no? In kinematics you will take frictionless surface, yes. In chemistry you take without any exception, है ना? So right, okay. Yes, so just wait, we will explain that also. I have copied, everybody has copied. Yes, everyone has copied this part. Okay, next. Now, okay, so this one also, so that means log a base a will be 1. Okay, so this is very simple. Let's look at the property third. Property 3. Now, third property is log, suppose we have a, we have base b, a to the power m will be m into log a base b, log a base b, right? So what we can say is, so I will prove. So I will prove. So the proof of this will be, this proof of this is very simple. So I will prove this one. So the proof of this is very simple. See what I will do. I will take log a to the power m b by log a to the power m. This is log a to the power m. B is equals to, I will take as x, suppose, right? So what I will do, I will represent is this form. A to the power m is equals to b to the power x, right? Fine. So a to the power m is equals to b to the power x, right? So now what I can take this 1 by m and 1 by m. I can take root m both side. So now I will take root m both side, right? So this will become a is equals to b to the power x by m, right? Now again I can write this in terms of log. Again I can write this in terms of log. So this will become x by m is equals to log a base b, right? And m I can cross multiply. M I can cross multiply. So this will become m into log a base b is equals to x, right? So this is, x is this, so that means proved. Understood? So that means this is equals to the, so this is equals to log a to the power m base b. Okay, first you copy this. I will give some example of property 2 and example of property 3 both, bacha. I will give you the example of property 2 and example of property 3 both. First you copy this. Fine. Manujit, okay, very good. Very good, very good. Done. I'll give you one property once again, explain, sir. Bacha, what I've done, I've taken this equals to a. I have taken this part equals to x. I have taken is this part equals to x. So now what I will do, I will write, we can take this equals to t. We can take this equals to t. So suppose this is equals to, we can take this equals to t, right? So this will be t is equals to b to the power x. T is equals to b to the power x. T is a to the power m. Just I'm writing in this form. So you do not need to, right? So we can write this as, if I'll use the normal property, a to the power m is equals to b. Now I will take root, mth root both sides. So this will become a is equals to b to the power x by m. I can take root both side, right? So now this, now again x by m you take as, suppose k. So this is b to the power k is equals to a. So this will become equals to k, right? So log a base b is equals to k. K is what? X by m. Then I will cross multiply m and you will get the same thing. Understood? Fine. Okay. So example, let's see example also. Let's see example. Fine. So for example, suppose you have log 2 base 2. What will be log 2 base 2? What will be log 2 base 2? 1. Very good. What will be log 3 base 3? What will be log 3 base 3? 1. What will be log 0.2 base 0.2? What will be log 0.2 base 0.2? Still 1. Understood? Now, next, tell me what will be log 81 base 9? 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 By 81 we can write as log of 9 square base 9. This 2 can go outside, so this is 2 log 9 base 9, and this will become 2. Simple. Understood? Everybody understood? Now let's take log of 1024 base 2. What will be log 1024 base 2? What will be log 10 base 24? 2. This will be simply log of base 2, 2 to the power 10. This will be 10 log 2 base 2. This will be simply 10. Everybody understood? By very nice, very nice. By everybody is able to understand. Very good. Everybody is giving answer. Okay. So we have seen 3 properties. Let's see property 4. So this is property 4. Okay. So property 4 says, acha, okay. Copy this example also. Copy these examples. Sir, I've already read it in my own interest from some amplitude. Oh, it's okay, bacha, it's okay. Venkatesh, it's okay. Prasanna, it's okay. Example of property. Example of property 2, bacha, ye to hai sare. Log 2 base 2, a log 2 base 2 1, log 3 base 3 1, log 0.2 base 2 1. Sare, all. Manojit, example of property 2. These are example of property 2. Yes or no? Hai na? Understood? Manojit? Yes. Okay. I hope you have copied. Next. Now let's look at property 3. Now property 3, from here, nice properties will start coming. You will see some very nice properties. Okay. So let's see. So first, very good property of log is the very best property which I think, and most of the students make mistake here. This is log a base, or I will take log m base a plus log n base a will be equals to log m into n base a. है ना? अच्छा, base a to b. Okay, I will do that. Don't worry. So this is base b, this is base b, this is base b. Okay, first you write this down, then we'll see the proof of this also. A very nice proof, very simple one also. So we'll see the proof of this also. Proof of log m plus n is equals to log mn, right? Log m by base b plus log n base b is equals to log. So what I will do, first I will write, suppose log m base b we will take as x, okay, and log n base b we will take y. So this we can write as, this thing we can write as m is equals to b to the power x, right? And this thing we can write as n is equals to b to the power y. Now let's multiply both of them. So if I'll multiply m and n, what I will get? If I will multiply m and n, I will get m into n will be b to the power x into b to the power y. This will simply become b to the power x plus y, right? So let's take m into n is equals to b to the power x plus y. If I will write this in terms of log, what will I get? If I'll write this in terms of log, this will simply become x plus y is equals to log, this will become m into n base b. This will simply become this, right? What is x? What was x? X was log m base b, and what was y? Log n base b. So hence proved. Understood? I hope this one is understood. Just copy this one. I will give some example also. Just take example. I will give example also. How m is equals to b to the power x. But this is the first thing which we did in log, na? This thing we can write as this form. This thing we can write as this form. Log m base b we can write as this form. Okay, I hope this one is clear. So what we have done, we have taken this as x, we have taken this as x, and we have taken this as equals to y, right? So what I will do, I will this is equals to x and this is y. So now I will write in terms of powers, right? So I will terms of powers. You have to remember that proofs also. Proofs are important. Proofs will help you in throughout your life. Proofs will help you throughout your life, hai na? Okay. So what you can write, this you can write as m is equals to b to the power x, and this you can write as n is equals to b to the power y. Now they are asking m into n. So what I will do, I will directly multiply m into n. M into n will be b to the power x into b to the power 5. So this is b to the power x plus 5. Now I will again take log. So this is, now see, one more thing which is very trivial for you to understand is, suppose if you have uh, 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 a to the power b is equals to c. Suppose if you have a to the power b is equals to c. So what you can take, we can take log on both sides. We can take log base a on both sides, right? So this will become log base a to the power b is equals to log base a c, right? B will come outside, so b into log base a is equals to log c a. So this will become, this is 1, so this will become b is equals to log c a, which is directly, we know we can write, this is directly log c base a is equals to b. We directly know this part, right? So this, everybody understood this part, this thing direct. So what we can do, any power, we can take log with any base on both sides, So here we have m cross n is equals to b to the power x plus y, right? So I can do one thing, another way of solving is, so what I can take, taking log base b on both sides, right? So the left side will become log base b m cross n, and on the right side it will become log base b to the power x plus y, and this is nothing but x plus y, because log base b will be 1, x plus y will come outside. So this is same thing. Understood? Everybody understood? I hope this part is, everybody have understood this part. So just copy this one, also. Okay. Okay, let's copy this. Then we'll move on to the next property. To remember the property, do one thing, just every derivation do 2-3 times. That's it. Every derivation write 2 times, you will remember. Every derivation write 2 times, just you will remember. But remember one thing, the properties are very important. So you have to memorize these properties. Log properties are very important. Okay. Now let's do one question. By everybody has got? Everybody understood? Everybody understood? Yes. Okay. Fine. So let's see next. Let's see a property. Suppose log base 2 1/2 plus log base 2 4. Tell me what will be the answer. Log 1/2 base 2 plus log 4 base 2. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? 1. Very good. So this is log m into n. So this is log 1/2. 4 into 1/2. This is 1. Okay. Tell me what is the answer. Log 1024 2 plus log base 2 1/8. Tell me what is the answer. 7. Yes. So this is log 2. This is 1024. So 1024 into 1/8 will be simply 2 to the power 7. So 7 will come outside. Okay. Now tell me log 512 base 1/2 plus log base 1/2 1/2. Tell me what will be the answer now. Now tell me what will be the answer. Think about it and tell me. This is example. Oh, sorry. This is base 1, 2. Yes, yeah, sorry. This is 2. -8. Okay. See, so we can check for this one. So what is, this is base 1/2. So let's see what is the power 512. So 2 to the power 9 is 512. 2 to the power 9 will be 512. So 1 by 2 to the power minus 9 will be 512. Yes or no? 1 by 2 to the power minus 9 will be 512. So I can write 512 as 1 by 2 to the power minus 9. So this I can write as log 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to the power minus 9 plus log 1 by 2 base 1 by 2. By this will become minus 9 plus 1. This will become minus 8. This is 1. This is minus 9. Minus 9 will come outside. So this is minus 8. So answer of this is minus 8. By everybody understood this example? Everybody understood? Just copy this one also. Very good, bacha. Very good. Yes, very good. So we have, just wait, we have done 4 properties. Okay. अभी anti-log we will discuss afterwards है ना. Just right now just think about the logarithm है ना. Anti-log forget about that है ना. हाँ अरे बच्चे wait, प्रसन्ना कर, wait बच्चा wait, we are doing, don't worry. I will not leave any property, don't worry. Okay, fine. Okay, next is yeah, next was which number property? Next was property number 5. So let's see. So this is property 5. Property 5 says that, so property 5 says that, yeah, log a base b to the power n, log a base b to the power n will be 1 by n log a base b. Ashwin, previous slide. Okay, check, copy this one fast. You can give the answer in log form. By log 2 base 2 is also 1. So you can give answer in this form or you can write it 1. Anything you can write. Okay, fine. Now write this property. Property 5 is log a base b to the power n is equals to 1 by n a base b. Okay, fine. So let's see the proof of this one also. So proof, let's see, or I will write proof down. So let's see the proof. Okay, so what I will do again, yeah, this is almost similar to the last one. Again, I will do log a base b to the power n is equals to, suppose I will take it is equals to x. Suppose I will take it is equals to x. Now what I will do, a is equals to, now this will be a is equals to b to the power nx. A is equals to b to the power nx. Now I will take n nth root on both sides. I will take nth root, taking nth root. So this is taking nth root on both sides. So what we will get? We will get a to the power 1 by n is equals to b to the power x, right? Now I can take, now what we can do, take log base b, both side. Take log base b both side. So what we will get? We will get log a to the power 1 by n base b is equals to log b to the base b to the power x. So this will become 1 by n log a base b is equals to x. This is equals to x into log b base b, which is nothing but log a to the power a base b was b to the power n, right? And this is the proof. Okay, let's copy this. Very similar, very similar. Later on, bacha, later on. Prasanna, later on, Prasanna. Don't think that today, on one day, we will do everything. No, that is not possible, na? I could have also said, I could have shared with you a PDF. Okay, this is a log, but I started teaching you, na? So don't worry. I will, I will solve everything. Don't worry, bacha. I will give you all the properties. I know, Prasanna, I know. Don't worry, we will do. Okay. Acha, this is your favorite chapter. Okay, fine. Everybody has copied this. This is your favorite chapter. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Everybody has copied. Most fun, this logarithm and exponent term, I feel very much interested in teaching in the graphical aspect of this. Graphs of log is very interesting, है ना? हाँ, copy, don't worry. Graphs of this is very interesting, but do not look at graph right now, है ना? But that I will teach. Total very less property, or 7 or 8 properties, है ना? So property 5th is done. Okay, so let's see next property. Let's see property 6. So let's see property 6. Yeah, so this is properties. Once we will have example also on this. So very simple examples. So example, suppose you have log. So log 2 base 1 by 2 will be equals to what? Log 2 base 1 by 2 will be equals to what? Log 2 base 1 by 2 will be equals to what? -1. Very good. Log 3 base 1 by 9 will be equals to what? Log 3 base 1 by 9 will be equals to what? Log 3 base 1 by 9 will be equals to what? Siddharth, -2 or -1 by 2? -2 or -1 by 2? Yes, -2 or -1 by 2. By this thing we can write as log 3. By this thing we can write as log 3 minus log 3 base 9. And this thing we can write as -1 by 2 log 3 base 3, which is -1 by 2. Understood? By understood this part? Very good, very good. -1 by 2. Very good. One more example, last example. Let's see if you can solve log 0.001 and 10. Log 10 base 0.001. Tell me what will be the answer? Yes, minus 3 or -1 by 3? -3 or -1 by 3? -1 by 3. So this is -1 by 3. Very good, very good. Okay, somebody please please explain the last step. Yeah, so the what I have taken log b on both sides. Log b on both sides. So this will be log base b on both sides. So this is log base b of this, log base b of this. This x will come outside. This x will come outside. So this is that x, and log base b b. So this is what? This is 1. By this will be equals to 1. This will be equals to 1, right? And you will have only x. What was x? X was this thing. So I have simply written x as here. So this will be equals to x, and then x I have written here. Understood? Okay. है ना? Okay. Now see, this is log 2 base 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write as 2 to the power -1. By 1 by 2 we can write as 2 to the power -1. So this will become log 2 base 2 to the power -1. This power will come outside. So -1 log 2 base 2, which is nothing but simply -1. Understood, Hari? Hari, did you understood now? Everybody understood? Should we move forward? Very good. Very good. Okay. So just copy this example. Last example. This example. Okay. See, this is log 10. Log 10. This is 0.001. This we can write as 1 by 1000. This we can write 1 by 1000. This is nothing but 10 is to power -3. So this is log 10, 10 is to power -3. This 10 is to power, this will come outside. So -1 by 3 will come outside. This is log 10 base 10. This is -1 by 3. That is why. Understood? है ना? Shravan and Vishnu. Okay, very good, bacha. Very good. Just copy this one. I'll give you a few seconds and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, so copy it afterwards. है ना? So this is property. This was this property is 5. This is property 6. Okay, so let's see property 6. है ना? Okay, so property 6. Okay, so let's see the property 6. Samhita. See, log 3 base 1 by 9. Okay, so log 3. Second example. See, log 3 base 1 by 9. So I will explain, then I will clear. है ना? So log 3 base 1 by 9. We can write as 1 by 9 as 1 by 9 is 3. Sorry, 1 by 9 is 9 to the power -1, and 9 to the power -1 is 3 to the power -2. So I will substitute this with this. So this is log 3 base 3 to the power -2. This -2 will come outside. So 1 by -2 into log 3 base 3. This is 1 by -1 by 2. Did you understood, Samhita and Vijay? Vijay and Samita, did you understood this port? Yes. Just reply fast. Write K or yes sir or no sir. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll rub this. Fine. Now next was property 6. So this is property 6, right? So property 6 says log A base B is equals to log A base C divided by log B base C. है ना? So what? Yeah. So what we can do? Uh, oh, okay. Yeah, that one also I will explain. है ना? Just okay. Fine. That one also. Akshay, I will explain that one also. So this is log A base B. We can write this as this form. So proof. So proof is very simple for this. So we have log A base B, let's say it is equals to X. Let's say this is equals to X, right? No, there is no name. There is no name. So that means from here we can write A is equals to B to the power X. We can write A is equals to B to the power X, right? So in both the cases, we can take log on both sides. So I'm taking log base C on both sides, on both sides. I'm taking log base C on both sides. So this will become log A base C is equals to log B to the power X base C. So this will be X will come out. So this will become log B base C. So we can write log A base C divided by log B base C is equals to X. So we can, so the X was what? X was simply log A base B, right? So hence proof. Okay. So just copy this once. Changing the base. No, there is no name, bacha. There is no name. है ना? There is no name. This is called property 6 na? Property 6. There is no name, bache. No special name for given. Don't worry about the name. I know we are very eager to name everything. But here we were lazy. Maybe the person who was naming, he also forgot, like me, है to teach. Okay. So he also forgot. So he also did not name. Understood? First copy this. This example for this one will be very simple. You can just simply need not to write the example. This is very simple. Fine. Fine. I hope everybody has copied. Okay. Next property, one property I forgot. Yes. Last two steps, this one and this one. Arey bache, this X, this I'm taking log base B, base C on both sides. If I'm taking log B, because here I have to represent it in C. Here I have to represent it in log C, this log C. So what I will do, I will take, this is A is equals to B to the power X. I will take log C on both sides. So this will be log A base C and log B to the power X base C. है ना? Okay, so what this is, B to the power X, X will come outside. So this is X into base B. Now this base B, log B base C, I will divide. So this is coming. Understood? Fine. Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, next. One more property which I missed. This was a property. This is property 7. Property 7 is log A base B minus log C base B will be log A by C base B. Okay, this is, just write this property. Example for that one, there is no point of writing. It's very simple. So just write this property. By with plus we will have multiplied, with minus we will have divide. With plus we have multiplied. See here, with plus we were multiplying, and with minus log A minus log C we will just divide. Okay, fine. So let's copy this. Yeah, this is dividing in log. Okay, remember one more thing, please. This is the most common mistake. This is the most common mistake which student makes. Remember, log A into log B. Log A into log B is not equals to log A plus log B. Sorry, this is not equals to log A plus B, right? This is not true. And the second common mistake which student make is log A by log B is not equals to log A minus B. Understood? Right? Same base. So this is base C, base C, base C. this is base C, and this is base C. Remember this. These are not equal. This is the common mistake which student makes in their exam. Log में बस you will make mistake here. Log में most common mistake is this. In log, most common mistake is this. है ना? Okay. So just write this also. Do not make mistake. This is dead. This is, do not make this mistake. Do not make these mistakes. Fine. I hope everybody understood. Now let's see property 8. Property is very simple. So property 8. So we can write property 8. So property 8 is a form of property 6. Property 8 is a form of property 6. Log A base B can be written as 1 by log B base A. है ना? The proof of this is very simple. By this we can write as log A base B. So this is proof, right? Log A base B can be written as log A base C divided by log B base C, right? This can be written as 1 by log B base C divided by log A base C, and this can be written by 1 by log B base A. Simple. Okay, fine. Just copy this one. For this one, proof for this property is homework. By proof is homework. Proof for this property is your homework. है ना? Can you do this? Nikhil, can you do this? Proof for this property. है ना? Just copy this one. Okay. Proof for this property you can do as homework, because plus we have done to divide, so we just have to divide. हाँ, नहीं Kanish, I will explain. Right now, see, everywhere I am writing log, so it is log only, है ना? Just Kanish, don't that is different, है ना? Okay. So I hope this till here everything is okay. Now next, only 2 properties are left. See, next 2 properties are left. So let's write log. Sorry, property. Property ninth property. Let's see. So we have A. This is A to the power log x base A is equals to x. Very simple property, right? So what we can do, we have, so proof is log A to the power x base A is equals to x. So what we can do, we can take log base A both sides. So this will become log base A. A to the power log x base A is equals to log x base A. This will power will come outside, so this will become log x base A into log A base A. This will become log x base A. So this is simply, this will become 1. This is 1, so this is log x base A is equals to log x base A. Sorry. Yeah. So let's take this is equals to k. Let's take this is equals to k. Let's take this is equals to, just wait. Let's take this is equals to k. Let's take this is equals to k, so that we can explain, है ना? So we have assumed that it is equals to k. So let's take this is equals to k. So this will be, this will be equals to k. This will be equals to k. This will be equals to k. Now, if these two are equal, that means x is equals to k. So that means what is x? X is simply, so that means x is simply k. So that means this will. So this k is x. Hence proved. Okay, copy this. Ashwin, you can copy it afterwards. First, you copy this one fast, है ना? Because I just want to finish all the log properties today, so that tomorrow we can start with graphical approach. Siddharth, can you just copy this one? We'll do the graphical approach. You can copy it, the property afterwards. Okay, fine. Fine, copied everyone. Okay, I hope everybody understood. Everybody understood the derivation also. Copy this one. I will show the last slide also. Okay, many of you are asking. Just copy this one first. Copy this one, please. Fast. Copy this one fast. Done. Hari, in this case, in this simply I have taken this as k. I have taken this as equals to k. Now what you will do, take log base a both side. In this, take log base a both side. So when I will take log base a, so when I'm taking log base a, this was in power. This is a base a. So this power will come outside. So when this power comes outside, this was the power, right? This is log a base a. This will be equals to 1. I have taken this is equals to k. So this is log k base a. Log k base a is equals to log x base a. So I can compare x and k. So x will be equals to k. So that means k is equals to simply x. So this means this is equals to x, which is the value which we have to prove. Understood? Hari? Understood? Okay. Fine. Fine. Let's see. The property 8 by this was log a base b. Just copy this one also. Log a base b I can write as 1 by log b base a. See. So what I have done, log a base b I can write as log a base c and log b base c. And I can write it like this. And I can write it like this. Now what I can take, by a by b can be written as 1 by b by a, because this a will come up. So this I can write in this form. Now just look at this. What is this? This is log b base c divided by log a base c. This is nothing but log b base a. So this is what I have written. So this was 1 by, so this is log b base a. Understood? Now you understood? Prasanna, did you understood? Hari, did you understood? Sri, did you understood? Everyone? Right? Okay. So let's copy this one also. Copy this one also. Very good. Okay. Don't worry. This is important actually. Log is important. Student generally makes mistake in log. Hai na? So just take your time, try to understand. Fine. Okay. So I hope this one is okay. Now the last property is property 10. Property 10. So the last property is property 10. This property is also very simple. Hai na? This property is also very simple. Just wait. So this property says that when, suppose in the previous case we have this thing, right? So in this case what we can do is, suppose you have a log b c, we can write as c log a base. So wait, I will write it a little bigger. So suppose you have a to the power log c base b, this can be written c to the power log a base b. See, so the only thing which is interchanging is this thing. So suppose a to the power something is given, a to the power is given in log, so you can interchange. How we can solve? So this is the proof, very simple proof. Once we'll do proof, then we'll do questions. Hai na? Then we'll do questions on the remaining properties also. So this is given a log c base b is equals to, suppose we will take it is equals to k, right? We will take it is equals to k. Now what I will do, I have to find a base b. So what I will do, I will take log in terms of base b. I will take logs in terms of base b, right? So if I'll take log in terms of base b, this we can write log base b a to the power log c base b, or I will write a little bigger, just wait. So I will take log base b on both side, taking, right, taking log base b on both sides. So this will become log base b a to the power log c base b. Okay, and this will be equals to log base b k, right? Now because this is the power, this will come outside. So because this is the power, this will come outside. This will become log c base b into log a base b is equals to log k base b. By now, right now, see, this is, suppose this is a into b, we can also write as b into a. By we can, this is a into b, we can also write as b into a, right? This is a into b, we can also write as b into a. So I will just interchange the position. So this will come here and this will come here. So this is will become log a base b into log c base b. This will be log k base b. Now this can be treated as power and this can be taken as a power. So this will become log base b c to the power. This can be treated as power. So this will become the power of here. This will come as power of c. Hai na? So this will simply become log c to the power log A base B is equals to log K base B. Now this is equal, this, I can compare these both. So this will become C to the power log A base B is equals to K. And what was K? K was A to the power log C base B. Okay, I hope everybody understood. Just copy this one first. Copy this one. If you're not able to understood any step, you can tell me, I will explain. This one, this is step. See what I've done is, yeah, okay. So what I've done is I have taken yeah. So this was, I have taken this as K. First thing I have taken this as K, right? So what I will do, I will take log, because I have to take now base B. And so what I will do, I will take log base B on both sides. I will take log base B on both sides. So this is the left side and this was the right side. So I have taken, so this is A to the power, this was the power, this part, so this will come outside. So this is the whole power. Log C base B into log A base B is equals to log K base B. Now this, I will interchange the position. I will take this first. So this I will just simply interchange the position. So now this is suppose T. So this is T into log C base B. This is T into log C base B. So this will become log C to the power T into base B, right? So this I have taken as power, right? So this simply I have taken as power, right? So if I have taken this as power, so this is C to the power something, right? This is, now this is these C to the power this is equals to K, because this is log base is same. So I can take, if I'll take base as same, so this is C to the power A is equals to K. K value I already know I have taken as this, so I will simply substitute. Okay, just copy this. Understood? I hope this one is okay. Fine. So what we'll do, we'll everybody has understood? Just copy this one. Okay, so what we'll do, tomorrow we will start last two property. These are the only property till property 10, these are the only properties. See, so what I've done is, this I've taken as equals to K, this I've taken as equals to K. Then I've taken log base B, so this whole power will come outside. So this power is coming outside. So now what I'm doing, I'm interchanging the position. This is A into B, so I'm writing this first. So if I'll write this first, right? See, I will write it again. So what I'm doing, this I'm writing first. So by this is this into this, so I can write this as log A base B into log C base B. By this is this into this, or this into the same thing. By this, these both are same thing. Tell me these both are same thing. This is equals to log K base B, right? Now this I can write as, so this is, suppose this I'm assuming as T. This I'm assuming as T. So this will be T to the T into log C base B is equals to log K base B, right? So now what this will become, this will become log of C to the power T base B is equals to log K base B. But till here everything is okay. I've simply taken this as T. I've simply substituted this as T. So now what is this? So this means by C to the power T will be equals to K. By C to the power T, C to the power T will be equals to K. So I will write it here. So C to the power T is equals to K. What is T? T was this thing. So I will write C to the power log A base B. And what was K? K was A to the power log base C, log C base A. I hope now it is clear. I hope now it is clear for everyone. Yes. Just copy this one. Another method of this same thing, just copy this one. So now just wait for a minute. I will share the PDF with you. Do not leave the class. I will share the PDF with you. Okay. Just wait for a second. I will share the PDF. Don't leave the class. Just wait. Do not write anything. Just wait. Right. So tomorrow what we'll do some question based on this, and tomorrow instantly after this we will start solving questions, and then after that we will do uh, 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 yeah, in Learnity, the question you have to solve from 5th to 8th. You have to solve from 5th to 8th before inequality. Before inequality, you have to solve from 5th to 8th. I hope today's class is very much clear, right? So tomorrow we'll do the log function and the log functions in terms of graphical approach. है ना? चलो. Thank you very much. Okay. Test portion for this week will be log. Okay, that's it. Okay, I have shared the PDF also with you. You can leave if you have downloaded. If you have not got, you can just send me the message. Okay, so thank you very much.